In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to check your PDF file security. So start by heading over to this site called pdfgadget.com. Then from the homepage, scroll down until you see the Check PDF Security tool. So click on it. Now from here, scroll down and start adding your PDF file in this section. Then next is of course make sure that you tick this box that you agree to the terms of use. Then proceed by pressing Analyze Security. Here you can see the protection status, security level, and encryption strength. And here you can also see that your PDF could be not protected or protected, and if anyone can have an access to the file and read its contents. This tool is especially helpful if your PDF file contains sensitive information. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!